Hey guys, welcome back to Carib 21, where we share what's trending in and around the Caribbean. If it's your first time joining, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. So today I am very excited about this video today because if you're watching this video right now, I am in the beautiful island of Barbados. Yes, Barbados, the home of Rihanna, the home of the oldest rum in the world, the Mount Gay rum, the oldest rum in the world. Yes, so this is a very exciting trip for me because this is Barbados Independence Month. They will be celebrating their independence the 30th of November. Barbados have been independent since 1966, and there's like a lot of rich culture in Barbados. So this week I'm here with my family. We're here to check out Rihanna's Fenty line, and we're also here to just discover the history, the beautiful history, the rich history of this beautiful island of Barbados. So, as I stated, one of the main purpose for this trip is to check out Rihanna's Fenty line. Fenty's been around for a while, but in October it was it was launched in the Caribbean for the first time in the beautiful island of Barbados, and there's a lot of other islands coming up for the launch, such as the Bahamas, Bermuda, Cayman Island, Trinidad and Tobago, Grenada, and Saint Martin. And I know when the islands were released, a lot of Jamaicans were like, what's going on with Jamaica? So, but what happened now, Rihanna said there's something big coming up for Jamaica. And that's why Jamaica has been a bit delayed because she has something big coming up. I have a feeling what it's going to be, but I'm not going to say anything right now. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some clips of the launch that was covered by Access Hollywood in the beautiful island of Barbados. So check out this video.
God. We made it. You were not playing with me.
You finally made it
Right?
to the motherland.
I mean, Barbados, 100%. You do land here and it feels different. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Are you kidding?
For real. Like
Thank you for actually coming.
You listen, I told you when you go, I was like, I'm at the airport right now. What you mean? When do we leave?
Looking forward to that, and like full circle when I knew that we were going to launch here, I was the first person I thought of was you, because I thought about that conversation we had in 2020.
Yeah.
When we were only doing interviews on Zoom. And I was like, wow, that was such an exciting interview because it was such a drab time.
Yeah.
And I remember saying, Jen, I want to interview with him more. I feel like I want to do interviews like that.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, your vanilla candle.
Oh, we're going to come back to the vanilla candle because you clown me so hard. You clown me so hard. But, I mean, launching here in Barbados, it has to feel good,
Yeah.
but it also has to feel different than other launches.
It does. It feels, it's very sentimental.
Yeah.
It's deeper. It means so much more because this is the land that I was birthed on.
Yeah.
This is the region, the entire Caribbean. Like we wear every Caribbean island on our back. Like even in the Olympics, you watch the Olympics.
Yeah.
You don't care if they're from Jamaica or Bermuda or Bahamas. We're rooting for the Caribbean always. And for me to come back home and launch a line that like was inspired by my hometown from the jump. My first sight and idea of beauty was right here. So to be able to have the Barbadian people and the Caribbean people have access to my line as freely as the rest of the world does, there's so much pride that comes with that.
Yeah.
And it just feels right. And it feels also like, about time.
About time.
Yes.
Well,
It was definitely about time. And guys, trust me, you don't know how excited I am about this because Rihanna pretty much represents what I'm trying to do with this channel. It's about the Caribbean. It's about the entire region. And, as I stated in a lot of my videos, a lot of times people think that the Caribbean is so divided. And maybe in some cases some of the political move that our leaders have made make it seem divided. But if you are ever in a place like Toronto, if you're ever in a place like New York, if you're ever in a place like Miami, if you're ever in a place like London, you would get a full understanding of how Caribbean people are very strong and how Caribbean people, we come together. Whenever we see someone from another island, we just we just embrace that person. And this is what this Fenty line is about, because the Fenty has been around for a while. Um, and the network of this company is over 2 billion, $2.8 billion this company is worth. So this company, like a launch in the Caribbean for Rihanna, is not even about profit, because Rihanna might not even make a lot of money in Barbados. She might not make a lot of money in Bermuda. The population of the islands, it's not a big enough population where you're going to make billions, but just the pride of someone like Rihanna, a young girl growing up in the Caribbean, who probably would not have had the wildest dream that she could have ever be at this level, to be one of the first billionaire female coming out of the Caribbean. So this is truly exciting. And as I said, this week in Barbados, I just want to go around the island and just to discover all I can about, because two of my favorite people are from Barbados. So Rihanna is one of my favorite, and the Prime Minister of Barbados is definitely one of my favorite. She is my favorite leader of all time, not just Caribbean, but world leader. So I'm looking forward to this week, just to just bathe myself in the sun of Barbados, the culture of Barbados, and the people of Barbados. So let's check out some more of what Rihanna have to say about this launch, the Fenty launch, Barbados and Caribbean, other islands. It's coming soon. Let's take a look.
Well, it's really cool because when you talk about from the foundation, I know that the Barbados cherry
Yeah.
is also like a key ingredient in all of the Fenty products and a lot of the Fenty products.
Barbados cherry,
Right?
Barbados gooseberry. Barbados cherry is one of the ingredients in most of our skincare line.
And it's like more vitamin C than even an orange.
You better tell him. You better let him know.
Sometimes you gotta let them know.
Yeah, he hung out with the team last night.
So you said the Barbados cherry has more vitamin C than an orange, you say?
Barbados cherry is very high in vitamin C, and that's why I just bypassed all other agencies and
Right.
just went straight to, well, I have the little tricks that you guys might not know of.
Right.
Because when you come home, if you have a cold, anything, a little Belgium cherry juice, like the vitamin C is so rich. I've always loved that. I've
See?
always believed in it, and I wanted to introduce that to my skincare line because vitamin C is a huge part of skincare.
Now I'm gonna tell you, you can't smell Ree right now, but this is the new fragrance, right? That you have on?
This is actually the same Fenty fragrance.
I'm gonna tell you right now, it's lit.
Okay, guys, so that is what you call a power move. For Rihanna to have the foresight enough to know that, look, my name, my likeness, this Fenty brand could go global and could make billions of dollars, is not enough. But for her to put the Barbados cherry, the Barbados gooseberry, as a main ingredient in a lot of her product, that is vision, that is foresight. Because wherever you are in the world, like you're in the biggest market, you're in America, you're in the UK, you're in Canada, anywhere in Europe, and you're buying this line, you're wearing a piece of Barbados with you. And as I said, when you look at Rihanna, you can see that Rihanna is more than just music, it is more than just flash and fame. Rihanna is all about Barbados, and not just that, Rihanna is all about the Caribbean. You see Rihanna celebrate the Caribbean multiple occasions. You saw when Beanie Man and Bounty Killer did the versus, Rihanna was just right there like a little child, like in the background, like just celebrating, a move like that with the versus. You saw when the Long Walk to Freedom tour, and you saw Rihanna embracing Buju Banton, and just how Rihanna is just right across the Caribbean with whether it's Destra, whether it's Marshall Montano. She reps the Caribbean 100%, and that is what I love the most about Rihanna. And so, guys, let me know. Like, have you ever um, used the Fenty product before? What is your favorite product? I know it's not for me, but my wife and my daughter, like, just recommend something that you think that my daughter would like or my wife would like. Just sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you think. What would you love to see us cover in Barbados? One of the things that I would love to do, you have to go to Rihanna Drive. Rihanna is the youngest national hero, and you have to go to Rihanna Drive. So Rihanna Drive is one of the places, that I want to go to. I want to see Rihanna's statue in the National Hero Circle. And so those are just some of the things. If you have any suggestion of places that I must see while in Barbados, just sound off in the comment section. Tell me the must see places to go in Barbados. And guys, I'll see you on the ground in Barbados. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.